I'm here today to show you a beautiful contemporary and classic makeup look. I'm going to start by concealing some areas of redness and underneath the eyes. I'm going to blend it out with a clean brush. I have my brush with color, and then I have my clean brush to blend. I'm going to use a slightly lighter concealer color for under Kyla's eyes. I'm also going to prep Kyla's eyelids with a little bit of that concealer, just to like kind of what was left on my brush from her under eyes. We're going to do a small amount of eyeshadow on her lids, so we just want it to have a bit of a nice surface to go on. By setting the concealer, it's just going to give her all day wear with this look and still keep the complexion really nice and dewy. I'm going to do a cheek color in Papaya Feed My Lips. Always stepping back to check my work to really see the whole face and how the placement is. I'm going to apply a little bit of color, a little bit of a highlight color in Opal, and I'm going to apply it to kind of the highest point of Kyla's eyelid, the inner corner, and a little tiny bit on her brow bone. And now I'm going to do a very light contour color. For Kyla's eye definer, I'm going to take Black Orchid. I'm going to scribble a little dot on my hand. This is going to warm up the product and allow my eye smudger brush to pick it up. And you can take another brush or just simply a little cotton swab and diffuse as needed. Now I'm going to curl Kyla's lashes. Down, use my hand to steer the lashes into the eyelash curler. I bend my mascara wand to give me more control of where I'm placing the mascara. And I'm going to use my thumb again to steer the eyelashes where I want them to go. For Kyla's brows today, we are going to work with her natural shape, which is so lovely. I'm going to be using the brand new brow definers, and I'm going to use dark brown. And I'm going to blend with the spoolie, brush up, I'm going to use the new Feed My Lips lip primer, which is colorless and amazing to just keep the lip color on longer. I've chosen pomegranate lip liner to accentuate and define the lips before we go ahead with the lip color. So I'm starting on the outer edge of Kyla's lips. By starting on the outer edge and moving towards the Cupid's bow, we're going to get the fullest lip line that we can. Naturally, if you start at the top and go down, your hand, just with gravity, will make the lip line smaller. love to use the All Sensitive Lotion, just by putting a little bit onto a palette or my hand. I can use a brush to clean up the areas. JWUBE, this is beautiful, almost candy red. Again, I'm just going to clean up any areas. This seems to be the area for me. So here we have the final look with the lovely Kyla. She has a contemporary classic makeup look today with a feathery bold brow, a dewy complexion, and that pop of JWUBE lip color.